What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, we're going to be making a cocktail called the Green Briar. So the Green Briar is actually a variation on the famous cocktail, the Rob Roy, but instead of Patriots bitters, we are going to be substituting Cointreau and orange bitters instead. The name Green Briar, I don't really know about the name of it, but that was a variation that I stumbled upon. But let's get started, shall we? First up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be adding 2 ounces of Scotch. You don't have to use a fancy Scotch. If you want to, go ahead, your money. I'm just using Famous Screws. It is definitely a workhorse Scotch that you can use for cocktails. It's reasonably priced. I picked this up for $25 at the liquor store, so really good pricing. You don't have to buy a Balvenie or anything, like spend $100. But yeah, just use Famous Screws. It's one of the best scotches for mixing, in my opinion. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. I am using Martini and Rossi. And this is where it varies from the Rob Roy. We're gonna do a splash of Cointreau, or dash. Too much. Okay, that's good. And then we're gonna add a dash of orange bitters. I'm using Angostura orange bitters. Perfect. Then we're gonna add ice to our mixing glass. And then we're gonna stir. Perfect, okay. Now that we got it stirred, let's get our chilled coupe glass. And then we're gonna strain into our coupe glass. I am just using a julep strainer. That's what I usually use for mixing glasses. Other people use Hawthorne strainers. It's all a, personal preference, but I just prefer this. Then I just have a little lemon wedge, and then I'm going to get a little done. Added a little bit of lemon. Oh well. Okay, there we have it. The Green Briar. It's not green. It's amber. Let's give it a sip. Ooh. Feeling it. Yeah, so you definitely get those oaky notes from the Scotch that play really well with the different botanicals from the Sweet Vermouth. Definitely orange forward with these Angostura orange bitters go a really long way. Cointreau, you definitely get those hints of orange. Really pleasing cocktail. Definitely will make this again. It's the first time I've made it, and I really enjoy it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe, and then hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Well, thank you, everyone, for watching. Make sure to give this... Wait, I just said that. I've been studying for finals. Well, stay safe, everyone. See you in the next one.